The Octopus Pro V1.1 control board by BIGTREETECH is equipped with a powerful ARM Cortex-M7 series processor, ensuring exceptional speed and stability for demanding 3D printing tasks. This control board supports both Klipper and Marlin firmware, offering flexibility to DIY enthusiasts who wish to optimize their high-speed and high-voltage printing projects. With support for up to 8-axis stepper motor drivers, the Octopus Pro V1.1 enhances motor performance, minimizes pulse loss, and accommodates various driver modes like step, dire, UART, and SPI. The inclusion of onboard MAX 31865 allows for precise temperature measurements with PT100 and PT1000 sensors, making it highly suitable for advanced 3D printing applications. Users benefit from an extensive range of features, such as auto bed leveling, resume printing, and filament runout detection, along with compatibility with various display options. An increase in motherboard protection is achieved through level conversion chips and isolation components, safeguarding the board from reverse drive insertion and short circuits.